God, just want to install Windows VM. Oh my days. Oh man, okay, so we're reading through this page. It doesn't make sense. I'm gonna have to reboot Node 1. This is ridiculous. Yes, people, welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a swing at building a domain controller and installing Active Directory, and then we're going to create a user and log them in. So let's get started. So my plan was to maybe, try and get a head start so we didn't have so many problems. So it didn't take, 10 hours to install. I tried installing Windows 2022, but it didn't go right. I already had a problem. And then I knew I should just start recording. Okay, so, but what I think is I downloaded the wrong version. So I deployed a VM with the ISO downloaded, but I think I've got the wrong version. So let's download it again. So I downloaded the ISO, but what I think I need is the VHD. Does it say anything about... Okay, I'm going to fill this in and start the download. We're just going to wait for this to download. Okay, download's finished. Okay, let's upload it to the node. So we're going to go in here. How do you upload? Oh yeah, there's a button. Grab the ISO. Which one? SVC, virtual hard disk. How do you do that? You can't upload this. It's a VHD. That's a virtual hard disk. It's nothing. I thought it was to do with... So how do I install 2022 on a VM? Let's Google it. Oh, Windows. Download the ISO. We've done that, right? That's when I got this error. This. Right? That is the first step. First step, it already failed. Okay, now we need Windows IO drivers. Let's see what this is. I'm not gonna read it. I'm just gonna click the most recent version. Okay, so it's done. So let's see how we do this. Oh no, please let me read the article. Yes. Okay, we have to upload. Let's upload this as well. Okay, let's try again. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. Yeah. Oh, this is on desktop. Oh my god. Okay, so let's upload these. We got nice and fast at that. See that legendary internet. Okay, so that's done. Let's go back. Repeat the steps for that. Click create. Windows as the guest. Yes. Do we do? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We gotta do some this. I haven't done that. So let's go create VM. We're gonna call this Home Lab 01. Maybe we could do load balancing and all this other stuff, but I need some more hardware. Node 1, do that. Okay. Next. Okay, we do that. We change the type to Windows. Oh, that's what we need to do. We need to enable that. Yes, look at that. Okay, so we add it in here. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh, we said something else. I had to change something else. Change the bus driver to SCSI. I haven't even got that yet. I mean, it's already on SCSI. Under system, enable the QEMU agent. Okay, we've enabled the QEMU agent. Let's go to next. This It's going to give this 200. Did something do anything in here? 2+ cores on the memory increase. Okay, so not much changes then. CPU, we're going to give this all 4 because this is an old computer. I need to get something more modern. For memory, just use the 48 gigs. All right, let's turn this on. Let's see how it does. Hopefully it does an error. We're going to see. Start PXE over IPv4. Why would it be doing that? Oh my god, this is what is this? Right click the VM. I've already... Okay, let's reboot this. What? Why isn't this working? Shut down. Thing isn't shutting down. What is going on? Because that's just consuming resources. What is this doing? Why isn't it turning on? The job is goals. It's not doing the commands. This is weird. Let's just delete this. I can't even shut it down. God, just want to install Windows VM. Oh my days. It's going to be like the exact same thing with the Linux distros. How many did we try before we got to Debian? Okay, not really sure what else to try. Let's Google it. Down. Why can't you just force it? Oh man, okay, so we're reading through this page. It doesn't make sense why... Oh, what's this? This. How do you cancel this? Okay, stop the reboot. Stop this. I'm gonna have to reboot. I'm gonna have to reboot Node 1. This is ridiculous. Okay, let's not gonna reset. Oh, did we do it? Did we do it? I think we've done something, guys. It's got a long time to get to that shell, Jesus. Alright, okay, you see the blue? You see the blue? That means it's possibly Windows. Let's go. It might not take 3 days to achieve this, guys. States. Alright, let's do the desktop experience for now. See, it still shows it. Upgrade, install. Not gonna work. This didn't work. We need to go back. Okay, let's restart. Let's just see. Hopefully, we can get that screen to come up again. I think we need to load the drivers. Okay, so there was a custom option there right here. Look at this. So press custom, And then we're going to load the drivers because we've mounted the disk in the VM. So let's try and load the drivers. And hopefully it sees that it's a new installation. We're going to choose desktop experience again. Hopefully the custom option comes up. Load drivers, browse, AMD 64, and then where? Vioski. Let's look for Vioski. Vioski 2K22. Come on, fingers crossed, please. Oh, we got a drive. Yes. Thank. Okay, we'll do that. Partition it. All right, we can go on. Nice. This is gonna install, and then we're gonna have the main controller. Then we're gonna have to figure out how we configure ADS. I think it's just you just install the role. So, all right, let's let this install then. Back in a bit. Okay, so we have movement. It's doing something. It's doing something. Come on, Windows, you can do it. Boot for me. Come on. I promise not to download any. Oh, thank God we didn't have to restart this node. If we would have to restart the node, something else probably would have been broken. But yeah, stopping the drop down here and then restarting it, I seems to have fixed it. I think what happened earlier with the shell, it probably booted into Windows recovery command line or something. Yeah, just happened to reset and then hit a button so that it boots from disk. Now we're here. Okay, guys, we've got an interface. Can you believe it? No way. It was over here somewhere. Guys, we are into our Windows Server 2022. Okay, this is awesome. While this boots up, or while this, I'm sure these are things it's going to be doing. Let's check how to enable AD Active Directory. Oh, I don't really want to do it via PowerShell. Use the following procedures to install Active Directory using a GUI method. That's what we want. Okay. Server Manager. I knew it's going to be in Server Manager. Let's try and set up RDP. So this is a little bit easier to get to. Why isn't this working? How can there be no interface? Check hardware. There should be one there. You need to reinstall the driver. Windows cannot find a driver for your network adapter. Let's Google that. Okay, let's see what people say. Go to Device Manager. Let's add Proxmox. Okay. How can you say it's not working and then it's working? How do you install drivers? What drivers? I bet you have to probably install something from here. Okay, maybe this. Yes, this. Oh, that was such a stroke of luck. Come on. Take that fucking win. Man, just saw everything. Give me all the goodness. Yes, we want it discoverable. That would be cool. Oh, look at that. We got internet access. Yes. Remote desktop settings. We want to connect to this. Yes. Host name. No. Where do we want to go? Host system. We want to go here. Rename this PC. It's currently named that. Let's name it. What are we going to name it? Home Lab AD01. Let's restart. Okay, let's bring up RDP. Oh no, this lag is just horrible. Come on. Lag makes typing in the password quite difficult. Doesn't ping. Why doesn't it ping? ipconfig 117. Okay, let's ping it from our PC and let's see what we get. Doesn't ping. That's not gonna RDP. Let's try. Anyway. Oh, it worked. Wow, okay. Yes. Okay, so we got RDP access now. This should make things a little bit easier. Okay, so let's go back and check what the site says to do. We've done this. We don't need these because we've resolved it. We were missing the drivers. Remember to install the drivers. After you mount it, you have to go within Windows. You need to run the installer. Okay, so Server Manager, add rows. Server Manager, add rows. Add rows and features. Here we go. Okay, so rows. Yes, we want to enable some rows on this server pool. Wait, let's see what the website says. Domain services. Which one did I select? I selected domain services. Include management tools. Okay, so we're gonna install. We're just gonna install this role. Let's get that done. Okay, let's just keep pressing next. Confirmation. Yes, restart if required. Let's wait for this to install, and we can move on. But this is going so smoothly. This is gonna be just like a one-day video, which the last two videos have been at least 3 days and like hours of editing. If this works, that is absolutely amazing.
A few moments later.
think we want to promote this server to a domain controller as well. Let's do that too. Add a domain controller to an existing domain. Okay, we've selected this. Oh, there was an error. Oh my god, there was an error on the other side of the screen. I didn't even see it. Man, my screen is too big. That's why I put things in the middle. An active could not be contacted. No, I need to create a domain. Do I have to first do it down here? I think you're doing a system or something, isn't it? Where we changed the name earlier. Was here. Advanced system settings. Where do you specify the domain? Oh yeah, this. Change. We do want to do a domain. Let's do. Oh. Okay, so I think we do this. DNS name. I think we have to create a domain first. Is that the first step? Okay, let's check. Yeah, there we go. Let's go this. How to set up. How to set up a Windows. Oh my god, can you me? We have to promote it to a domain controller. But that's what we're trying to do here. Add a domain controller to an existing controller. I think I need to create a domain. How do you do that? This is just annoying. Constant flicking back and forth, man. I don't want to do this in PowerShell. I need to promote the server to a domain controller. Man, why is it so difficult? Create domain. You have to install Active Directory. Okay, well that's what I was trying. Well, I need a new forest, but it doesn't let me. No. Okay, once AD is installed, the server can be configured at domain controller. Do this. Open Server Manager tool. Configure local server. Okay, let's go do that. Configure this local server. I don't see anything obvious. The configuration page, select promote server to domain controller. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? Can you man? Where is promote? And I'm clicking, nothing's happening. It's just like it's lagging. That's hot. A very slow computer running this. How do you create a domain? Don't get it. Add a domain controller to an existing domain. No, I need to create a domain. But to create a domain, I need AD. But to create AD, I need domain controller. I don't get it. Doesn't make sense. Where do you create the domain? Send the server to act as domain controller. Once AD/ADS has been installed, it can be configured as the domain controller. To do this, I don't see. I don't have that option. Maybe I need to leave it blank. It says on the domain controller options. There is no domain controller options. Or what? Put my details in here. Oh, you put it self. I don't get it. Why doesn't it work? How? It's like what came first, the chicken or the egg? Can't do the domain because I need AD, and I can't do AD because I need a domain controller, but I need it in a domain. Role based, okay, we've done that. Okay. Let's try this. But it says something about DNS. Oh. So it had to be dot something. Oh my god, it doesn't say that anywhere. Ugh.
A few moments later.
I don't know what I want my domain to be. I might change it. Okay, so that's all it was. It was just missing a dot. That's annoying. I don't know, 2016 or 2022. Type restore password. Dedication record. Let's see. Did this person get that? Of course they didn't get it. See what I mean? Let's just keep pressing next and see what happens. That's not working. Okay. Botnet. That's the domain name. Okay. We're doing things. We're doing things. Yeah, let's all leave that to default. Next. One. Oh no. Oh, restart. After all that. Come on, man. Give me a break. I just check. Okay, so we should be able to RDP back to it. I wonder if I remember if that works. Oh, it works. That's so cool. Okay, so now we get servers back online. Open up Server Manager, and then we're going to promote it to domain controller. Man, where is it that you go? Let's go there. Hopefully that's just the official spot. I'm not just getting lucky. Okay, we then add a new forest. On it the home lab. Okay, so it's gonna be its own DNS because obviously it's the first one. Okay, yep, that didn't work. Okay, found it. Nice. Let's do next. Well, no, I wanted the forest to be botnet and the domain to be home lab. I don't really understand it, to be honest. I have to do some more research on it. Okay, it was pending a reboot. Let's hopefully we don't get that error again. Okay, so what's this talking about? I think we just install. Okay, we were about to be logged out. I guess it's got to do a reboot. Okay, so server's finished rebooting. I've already connected to it, and you have to authenticate via our domain, which is called botnet. I didn't want that to be the domain. I wanted that to be the forest, and I wanted home lab to be the domain because we were gonna have separate domains. You know, maybe something cloud, and they all connect to the forest called botnet. So it didn't go as I had planned. However, we still did the process. So we installed the role, we promoted this domain controller. Now we're going to log in and we're going to create a new user. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so let's see if we can create a user. So Active Directory users and computers. Okay, this is the botnet.homelab domain. In users, we're going to create a new user. Let's see. New user. User logon name. Mike is cool. So botnet Mike is cool. Password will be change it. All right, we got a user. Let's name this in the description. Let's put King of 80. Not really, but you know. Okay, so we've got Mike. We're gonna log on. So if you go to account tab, we're gonna log on with botnet / Mike is cool. And we've set the password. Now let's log out of this. Okay, let's bring up RDP. I'm going to change the credentials. So we've put the user that we've just created. Now let's see if this works. 3, 2, user is not authorized for remote login. What does that mean? Okay, we're going to log in as an admin and see what's going on with our user. So it's probably missing some sort of position. I think I had an issue like this not too long ago. So let's go to users, right? Properties, account, log on to all the computers. That's not it then.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's Google it because I don't know what it is. Users not authorized for remote login. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's click this link. Oh, we're going to change policy. Okay. Maybe we could do a GPO and we just have it set some rules on a bunch of servers we create. Okay, so sec.poll.msc. User rights assignment. Okay. Allow log on through remote. Oh, okay. Oh, it's only got administrators set to it. That's why I couldn't log on. So if we do Mike. Oh, yes. Mike is cool. He is indeed. Okay, let's try login again. So we're going to change the user. Botnet / Mike is cool. This is it, guys. It's going to work. 3, 2, 1. Still got the same error. Maybe it needs a reboot. Oh, okay. Let's force a policy update. Try again, try again. It denied it straight away. Why does it still say the same thing? Let's check the services. See if remote services are enabled. Yeah, they are. Why is this not working? I always forget how to even type this, so. Okay, so we've opened up local users and groups. Now, add users. I don't think this one applies to me. I can remote with the admin. I can't remote with the new user I just created. Man, why doesn't it work? Let's see what we can find on Spiceworks. Local user and groups. Remote desktop users. Need to be added into that. Okay, so I can't add them to the local group, to the domain controller. Okay, so let's think here. Create the user, but we can't log in with the new user. This user needs permissions to log into the server. How do we do that? It's Google. Well, thanks, but that didn't help me. Okay, maybe we create a new group. Don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just clicking around just to see if something clicks. Is it because there's no path in here? Man. Wait, home lab. Why isn't Connor RDP to it? Let's try again. Still getting the error. Come on. Group policy. Start, yeah. Okay, so maybe there is a GPO that is stopping us from logging in. Windows settings, security. I think we have to change the errors, change what we're searching for. We have an issue specifically RDP into a domain controller, which is one of the main issues, I think. From that tab, it said it seems like only admins can RDP to it. So I guess we just need to confirm. Oh, look at this. The remote desktop users group that is found in Active Directory grants RTP access only to domain computers. It's not in regards to other things. Okay, where is that policy? Okay, maybe I need to be in here. What the f is that? What is this? Okay, now we've added the user to domain groups and the domain administrators. Let's see if that's what it was. Still not. Okay, let's try again after adding those groups. Oh, it worked! Okay, so your account is configured to prevent you from using this PC. Please try another PC. Seen an error before. Okay, something is up. No, it was in AD in here. Okay, let's do an update and then we're going to try RDP again, but I think it's going to work this time. Right? Okay, that's worked. Try RDP again. Okay, let's go. Yes, it worked. Nice. So we had to add the server into the log onto the mic user, and we had to give it, the domain admin group, which yeah, now we're logged in as Mike, an AD user we created. Who am I? Mike is cool. Look at that, guys. We done it. Okay, so I mean, there are quite a few things we can do with this. We can create some group policies so that when Mike logs onto a server, this happens, maps drive, folder redirection. So, if you log onto a laptop, downloads and documents are all stored on maybe a NAS in your home lab. We're going to get around to doing that. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give me a like, comment, maybe subscribe as well. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.